Let's get them allocated out. Table 22. Bring that shit back. Bring that shit back. This is table 22.
Just a moment, please.
No, you gotta jizz this. You didn't jizz it. Come on, man.
Welcome back. Lovely to see you again, Mr. Michelle. Right this way.
Thank you.
Hope traffic wasn't too bad.
You know, it wasn't.
Table 25.
Hold on, I'm waiting.
What's going on with all these tickets, man? You're not...
Yes, how can I help you?
Isn't this, wasn't this on the menu last time I visited?
I believe it was.
I was on the impression that tonight was going to somehow be different, more of an event.
I understand. Is there something we can do to make you more comfortable?
Could I speak with the chef, with Chef
I
Casper?
have a wonderful 09 that I just opened to let breathe, if I may. The last time I was in Napa at the vineyard, they shipped me this bottle as a gift, and I've just been waiting for the right occasion.
That's very generous of you. Is Chef Casper here?
Unfortunately, he was called away.
Is he coming back?
I'm afraid that was left ambiguous.